at Leisure. This is Tiara.
And Mackenzie. Tonight we are going to be making some chicken tacos as promised in our last video. So we're going to take you step by step on how to make some nice chicken tacos. Okay, so to start we just went ahead and put the chicken in the pad on the stove top and have that going. And while that's going, I am going to start cutting up some tomatoes and grating some cheese and getting everything ready for our tacos.
So while Mackenzie is grating some cheese and cutting the lettuce and tomatoes, I am going to season our chicken with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm also going to start our refried beans in a pot to get them warmed up.
So I got out some lettuce that I'm about to first rinse off before I use it and then dry it. And then I'm going to cut up some lettuce for our tacos. So now we got our lettuce and cheese cut up, and now I'm going to go ahead and cut up some tomatoes.
So now I'm going to show you how we are going to be prepping our tacos. So I'm going to take a soft tortilla and I am going to put some refried beans on it and spread it around. Then I'm going to place a hard shell taco in the middle of it and fold it just like that. Now, since our chicken is just about done, I'm going to throw in some salsa verde to cook them in for the last few minutes.
Here are all the toppings for our tacos. You also could add some salsa or some sour cream, which we have to go on them, or whatever you want. So now we're just adding some chicken that we marinated in the salsa verde sauce onto the inside of our tacos. And then we're gonna go ahead and put some toppings on them. So Tiara's in the process of adding the toppings to our tacos. Like I said earlier, you can put whatever you want to on top of them to make them more flavorful. We're just gonna add some cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes. And then
Bye, Do It Leisure. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.
bye, guys.